Hi everyone, I hope you are all healthy. Today we are again going to talk about a new topic, that is describe a time when you had to wait in a long line, when it was, how long the line was, what it was about, and how you felt about waiting in this line. So I have prepared a sample answer for this question for you, and I have written some vocabulary words and idioms that are underlined in this topic. And furthermore, I have added the follow-up questions that might be helpful for you with this topic, and we will talk about it after once we are finished with the topic. So first I will recite the sample answer for you. In this contemporary epoch, people have to wait for multifarious purposes day in and day out. The time they step out from their homes to commute to work, they are made to wait for a bus or hindered by the traffic lights and congestion. However, here I would like to talk about a moment when I had to wait in a long line of people. It was 2 years ago when Christmas and New Year's Eve were closely approaching. On a Sunday evening, when I finished all my schoolwork and household chores, I went to super mall that was stone's throw away from my home to do some necessary shopping. I spent almost 40 minutes to pick up all the needed things, and number of items I purchased were more than usual. While shopping, I observed that heaps of people were buying goods for the Christmas and New Year celebrations. Owing to this, the crowd seemed a bit larger than usual. However, as soon as I reached the checkout point, I was perplexed. I had no idea how large the queue in this shopping mall could be. There were more than 5 checkout points, but each of those was surprisingly crowded. I could not decide which queue to stand in. I stood in the nearest queue. After a few minutes, I started surfing the internet. I did so for approximately 30 minutes. Then I paid my bill, and sales girl wished me Merry Christmas, and I did the same. I was really exhausted, and my legs were really tired and hurting. When I came back to my car, I took a deep breath. There was the longest I had to wait in a queue ever, and I would hope I would not have to stand in a queue that long ever again. So that was the topic, guys, and you can see there are some underlined words uh, that are rich in vocabulary, and we will discuss the meaning of those words. The first one is the contemporary epoch, which means modern era. You can use this word in writing also. Number two is multifarious. You might be familiar with this word, which means many, myriad, plethora. Number three is day in, day out, which means every day. Commute means travel. Hindered means hamper, delay, or obstruct. Congestion means traffic jam. Household chores means household works. Stones throw away, we discussed in the first topic, it means nearby or close. Heaps of means a lot of. And furthermore, perplexed means confused and bewildered, and exhausted means tired. And now we have discussed those. Now we are going to talk about the follow ups and the normal answers that you can convey to the supervisor. So here we go. The first question is, what do people like to do while waiting in a line? So it's normal answer, general answer according to me is waiting in a queue is not the most amusing exercise for a lot of people. However, to make most of it, normally people like to surf the internet to visit social sites like Facebook, Instagram, and many more. Moreover, some people like to listen to music to rejuvenate themselves. So here, rejuvenate means entertain themselves. Okay. And next question is, do Indian people often wait in queues? It is common for Indian people to stand in a line because of excessive population. The long queue can be seen outside the banks, the government official buildings. Due to its vast network, long queues can be seen at ticket counters on railway stations. And the next question is, do you think the development of technology has reduced the time people have to wait in queues? Yeah, so it's a technology related question. Undoubtedly, due to advancement in technology, gone are the days of book records, which are replaced by computers, where it is easy to locate any past record just with a click. So, waiting in a line has reduced due to technology. So, this answer is according to me. If you have any other opinion, you can also convey that message. The fourth question is, what do you think who cut in line or jump the queue? So, this question is for the people who cut the line. So, some people have habit to believe that their time is more valuable than others. They consider themselves superior, which according to me shows that they have some serious problem with their manners. Last question is, how can companies improve their customer service? It's funny to say that customer service also needs improvement because they are there to help us in the same areas. But in some areas they do need improvement, like there are long queues even in calls. Some people have to wait for 2 to 3 hours to get themselves through to an agent. So those that were the questions, guys. I hope I have helped you with this video. So all the best for your future endeavors. Thank you.